Today, what we did is we conducted a diagnostic workshop for oak wilt for a few different folks who came in from many different states and from different federal agencies and state agencies. Specifically, what we're doing in this room is we're giving them a chance to actually see the pathogen in culture so that they actually could diagnose it underneath the microscope when it got to that point. What we did with the other session is Jennifer actually brought them into the clinic and showed them the process of actually collecting a wood sample so that you could actually get it into culture, so that you get to the point where you can actually see it underneath the microscope. We also talked a bit about the DNA extraction procedure, which has a specific place in the testing protocol. And they were able to see also some lookalike diseases, things on oak that cause similar symptoms, such as other pathogens, insects, even physiological conditions. And then right now, what they're going to be doing is actually going out to the field to look at some oak wilts on actually standing trees. And so hopefully it stops raining for them pretty soon, but no promises on that.